Hey guys, so today we're going to dive into the new update of Streamlit 1.36 that was released on June 20th, 2024. Alright, so first major update that was added in this release was the introduction of the navigation component in order to create a multi-page app. Now we were already able to do so in the previous version. You essentially had to create a subfolder called pages within your main Python workspace. And then within that folder, you would put the code for your various pages. So for instance, in this case, I would be creating a home page here and then two additional pages. If that was correctly set up, you automatically were able to create a multi-page app. Now, while this way of doing it is fairly easy and can meet the needs for a lot of use cases, this method lacks a bit of customization, so that is why I guess Streamlit decided to introduce the navigation component. So how does it work? It's fairly easy again. You only have to define a function for each page that you want to display. And in each function, you simply add the Streamlit components that need to be in your page here. Then you must use the navigation and page components to display your multi-page app like it is shown here. Next, we have the new parameter in the bar chart component that now allows us to create some horizontal bar charts. So you just have to add it like so here, and then it creates a horizontal bar chart. So Streamlit has also made some minor changes into the expander component. You can now add an icon before the label, which could be quite useful to identify various information. As you see here, you just have to input the desired icon here. Side note, if you want to have a full list of available icons, just search Google Fonts icons on Google and you're gonna see a bunch of different icons that you can use within this component. Another cool thing that they've added is the ability to vertically align objects within a column component. So for instance, as you can see here previously, when you had a small object beside a very large object, the first object was always stuck at the top. But now with this new feature here, you can choose to either align at the top, the center, or the bottom. In this case, it was aligned at the center. One last notable feature that they've changed is the addition of X and Y labels on multiple charts. So previously, the labels were simply determined by the name of the inputted variables here, but now you can specify them manually like it is shown here. So yeah, that concludes the quick overview of the new features from the Streamlit 1.36 update. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.